Our today's topic is Parliament. First of all, what is Parliament? It is the highest forum of debates and discussions. And Parliament, in India we have bicameral legislature, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha is the lower house, whereas Rajya Sabha is the upper house. In Lok Sabha there are 543 members. Members should never exceed 550, but at present there are 543 members. And 2 members are nominated by President. 543 plus 2. 2 are nominated by President from Anglo-Indian community. But if they are already elected, then President will not nominate the 2 members. Next is Rajya Sabha. It is the upper house. Lok Sabha is the lower house. It is known as the House of People. Rajya Sabha is the upper house, known as House of Councils. And Rajya Sabha has number of members never exceed 250. 238 are elected plus 12 are nominated by President from different fields. From math, science, art, music, President can appoint these 12 members from different fields. Here, tenure is 5 years. Either tenure is 6 years. And Speaker is the head. Vice President is the ex officio chair. Vice President is the chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Who is the chairman of Rajya Sabha? Vice President. Vice President is the chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Speaker is the head. And Lok Sabha is the powerful house because money bill can only be introduced in Lok Sabha with the prior information of President. Money bill can only be introduced in which house? Only in Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha is the powerful house. Though Rajya Sabha is known as upper house, but Lok Sabha is the powerful house. Money bill can only be introduced in Lok Sabha with the prior information of President. Now, what are the functions of Parliament? Parliament performs various functions. First of all, it is the largest law-making body in India. In India, we follow list system. State, union list, state list, concurrent list, residuary powers. These all residuary powers are enjoyed by Parliament only. And Parliament is the largest law-making body in India. अभी आपको सिर्फ इतना ही करना है. List system you will read in 9th class. It is the largest law-making body in India. Annual budget is passed by Parliament. And government cannot spend even a single penny without the permission of Parliament. Parliament can take part in the elections of President and Vice President. Parliament has full control over executive. It has full control over executive. If Parliament passes vote of no confidence against the Council of Ministers team of Prime Minister. If Parliament passes vote of no confidence against Council of Ministers, then Prime Minister with his team has to resign. So these are the functions of Parliament. Next is Parliament का जब session होता है, तो how the sessions of the Parliament are held. First of all, तो Parliament while in session, जब Parliament का session होता है, तो सबसे important it begins with question hour. किससे start होता है? Question hour. Session of the Parliament begins with question hour. And question hour is an important through which MPs can give information about the working of government. Question hour is an important by this MPs. MPs means member of Parliament. MPs can give information about the working of government. This is very important way through which Parliament controls the executive. Session of Parliament starts with question R. Question R is an important mechanism through which MP can give information about the working of the government. And this is important way through which Parliament controls the executive. I've told you that it has full control over executive. Asking questions of the government is a very crucial task for every MP. The opposition party play important role because opposition party highlights the weaknesses of the ruling party. Opposition party ask ruling party to fulfill its promises which it has done before coming to power. So question R is very important mechanism. ठीक है? Next, government get valuable feedback through this and always keep on toes by the questions asked by the MPs. Government get valuable information by this and always keep on toes. हर time government को पता चलता है कि what are the problems, ठीक है? And always keep on toes by the questions asked by the MPs. तो what क्या होता है इसमें? Opposition party जो होती है ना, highlights the failures, blame करते हैं उनको इस session में, ask them questions and ruling party has to give answers because our government is accountable, answerable, and our leaders, they have to give answers of the questions which are asked by the people through their representatives that are known as MPs. MPs ही हमारे representatives होते हैं in the parliament, and MPs of the opposition party, they ask questions, they highlight the weaknesses of the ruling party, and ruling party has to give answer because in our country, in democratic countries, government is accountable. Accountable means answerable. Our government is accountable. And you know, according to Right to Information Act, people have full right to know about the functioning of government. Right to Information Act के through हमें पूरा right मिल चुका है. People have full right to know about the functioning of the government, and government has to give answers. ठीक है, government has to solve the problems of the people. So next is, who are people in parliament? I have told you that in elections, party that gets maximum number of seats is declared winner. पार्टी जिसको सबसे ज्यादा वोट सीट्स मिल जाती है ना, that is declared winner. And party that show majority becomes ruling party. Party that shows majority becomes ruling party. But here majority does not mean that majority is not formed on the basis of religion, caste. Everyone can be the part of majority. क्या आप सोचते हो कि ये जो मेजोरिटी बनी है, जो पार्टी विनर है, मेजोरिटी हियर डज नॉट मीन फॉर्म ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ रिलीजन एंड कास्ट. एवरीवन कैन बी द पार्ट ऑफ मेजोरिटी. मैंने अभी बताया है, पार्टी जो कि विनर होती है, पार्टी दैट शोज मेजोरिटी फॉर्म एंड रन गवर्नमेंट. ठीक है, बट हियर मेजोरिटी का मीनिंग क्या है? व्हाट्स द मीनिंग ऑफ मेजोरिटी हियर? Majority is not formed on the basis of caste and religion. Majority, everyone can be the part of majority. क्या अभी at present BJP is in majority. BJP is ruling government. Ruling है, BJP ruling party है, BJP की government है. क्या BJP में सिर्फ एक ही religion या एक ही community के लोग हैं? No. एक ही caste के लोग हैं? No. Everyone can be the part of government. Everyone can be the part of majority. चाहे वो लो कास्ट है, चाहे वो कोई भी, एवरीवन कैन बी द पार्ट ऑफ मेजोरिटी. हर कोई इसका पार्ट बन सकता है. फॉर एग्जांपल, इन आवर कंट्री सीट्स आर रिजर्व फॉर SC एंड ST. क्यों गवर्नमेंट ने ऐसा किया? सो दैट MPs of their constituencies, जो उनकी constituencies के MP होते हैं, they can represent the problems of these people, Dalits or Adivasis. So these people, इनके भी representative ताकि हो in parliament, ताकि इन लोगों की भी problems solve हो सकें. That's why seats are reserved for SC and ST. You should know that, no doubt, democracy is the rule of majority. Majority का rule है. Party that show majority form and run government. But क्या ये majority religion base पे बनी? क्या ये majority caste base पे बनी? No. Majority, everyone can be the part of majority. हर कोई part बन सकता है. हर religion, हर caste के लोग होते हैं government में. ठीक है? तो in our country, seats are reserved for SC and ST. Some seats are reserved for SC and ST. ऐसा government ने क्यों किया? So that MP elected from the constituencies will be familiar with and can represent Dalit and Adivasi interest in the parliament. ऐसा क्यों किया गवर्नमेंट ने? ताकि उनके जो MPs हैं, उन कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसीज के जो MPs हैं दलित एंड आदिवासी के, they can represent their people, they can represent the Adivasis and Dalits in the parliament. So everyone can be the part of the government. Next, in our country, political status of women is low. In our country, political status of women is low. In central government, at present, it is only 10%. You know, in in local government, it is 33%. I'm going to tell you it's extra, but वैसे ही बता रही हूँ. Central में कितना है? Central government only 10%, state government 5%, and in local government 33%. देखो कहाँ पे ज्यादा है? Local government. Central government only 10%, state government 5%, local government 33%, and some of the local governments are saying, panchayats are saying that they will do it 50%. ऐसे भी कहा जा रहा है कि वो इसे 50% कर देंगे, but अभी 33% है. तो participation of people is more in local government as compared to state and central government. यहाँ पे women की participation कम है. Participation of women is कहाँ पे ज़्यादा है? Local government में. यहाँ 33% है. Participation of women in central and state is less as compared to local government. तो women की participation कम है central government, and still bill is pending before the parliament. Women are demanding that their participation in central and state should be increased. Women are demanding that their seats in central government should be reserved fixed as government has done in local government. Women are demanding this, but still this bill is pending before the parliament. अभी भी ये bill pending पड़ा है parliament के पास. तो in this way we can say that only 10% seats are at present, 10% seats are fixed for women. In parliament, I have told you who are people in parliament. People from diverse background are the members of parliament, can become the members of parliament. Here, the government is formed by a party that is and that shows majority, but a majority is not formed on the basis of caste and religion. Everyone can be the part of majority. Seats are reserved for SC and ST. ऐसा क्यों किया गवर्नमेंट ने? So that their representatives of Dalits and Adivasis can also represent these people in the parliament. ठीक है. Next is women. Women की भी seats जो है वो 10% है in parliament. No doubt it's in our country political status of women is low. Low है हमारी country में. In local government it's 33%, and women are demanding that their number in central government, their participation in central government should be increased. as government has done in local government, but still bill is pending before the parliament. So today we have read about two houses. अगर आपको कंपेयर करने आ जाए two houses, तो how you will compare? First of all, तो आप लिखोगे लोकसभा, it is the house of people. राज्यसभा, it is the house of councils. इधर आप बताओगे it is the lower house, it is the upper house. Number of member never exceed 550. At present, it has 543 members, and 2 members are nominated by president. Number of members never exceed 250, and 238 are elected. 12 members are nominated by president from different fields. ठीक है, फिर आप बताओगे speaker is the head, vice president is the chairman. Speaker is the head, vice president is the chairman. इधर आप बताओगे tenure is 5 year, उधर आप बताओगे 6 year, इधर आप बताओगे it is a non permanent house, उधर आप बताओगे permanent house है वो, it is a non permanent house, उधर आप बताओगे it is a permanent house. Is it clear? लोकसभा एंड राज्यसभा को अगर कंपेयर करना आए, अगर आपको आए functions of parliament, तो you can write ना कहोगे कि largest law making body in India, law making body है, law बनाती है, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट आप बताओगे कि controls over executive, it has full control over executive, keeps an eye on the functioning of executive. If it passes vote of no confidence against the council of ministers, then council of ministers with its leader, that is prime minister, has to resign. Annual budget is passed by parliament, ठीक है, आप ये भी बताओगे. And government cannot spend even a single penny without the permission of the parliament. It takes part in the elections of president and vice president. Is it clear? Functions of parliament. You can also write it is the highest forum of debates and discussions. Next, session. Session of parliament starts with question hour, and it is an important mechanism. Question hour is an important mechanism through which MP can give information about their working of the working of the government. It is very important way through which parliament controls the executive. Asking questions of the government is crucial task for which MP, the opposition parties, play a crucial role. MP of opposition party play an important role, as they can highlight the failures of the ruling party, they can tell the weaknesses of the ruling party. तो पार्लियामेंट का जो सेशन होता है किससे स्टार्ट होता है? क्वेश्चन आवर से, ठीक है. तो नेक्स्ट, who can be the member of, who are the people in parliament? पार्लियामेंट में कौन कौन होते हैं? हमने सबसे पहले तो ये बताना है मेजोरिटी पार्टी, दैट political party that shows majority form and run government. In parliament, seats are not frozen for any caste or community. Parliament में seats frozen नहीं है किसी भी caste और community की. No doubt, in our democracy is the rule of majority, but here majority is not formed on the basis of caste, religion, language. Everyone can be the part of majority. बीजेपी में, बीजेपी की गवर्नमेंट है तो उसमें आपको सब तरह के लोग मिलेंगे, आपको हिंदू, सिख, मुस्लिम, क्रिश्चियंस, हर तरह के लोग मिलेंगे, ठीक है. उसमें आपको एससी, आदिवासी, हर एमपीज आपको मिलेंगे उनमें. तो एवरीवन कैन बी द पार्ट ऑफ मेजोरिटी, ठीक. नेक्स्ट हमने बताया कि मेजोरिटी जो है वो उसको हर कोई ज्वाइन कर सकता है. एससी एसटी जो है रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स ऑफ एससी एंड एससी, ऐसा क्यों किया गया? सो दैट representatives of SC and SC can represent their people in the parliament. अब वुमेन का तो मैंने पहले ही बताया कि पार्टिसिपेशन इन आवर कंट्री इन गवर्नमेंट फंक्शनिंग इन, आपको कि सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट इज लो. हमारी गवर्नमेंट, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट में वुमेन का स्टेटस लो है. ओनली 10%, आपकी बुक में शायद 9% दिया, ओनली 10% सीट्स आर फिक्स फॉर वुमेन इन सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. तो हम कहेंगे कि वुमेन आर डिमांडिंग दैट देयर पोजीशन, देयर पॉलिटिकल स्टेटस शुड बी इम्प्रूव्ड, बट Still this bill is pending before Parliament. So this is about the whole chapter. Now come to the question answers of this chapter. Why do you think our national movement supported the idea that all adults have a right to vote? Why do you think that our national movement supported the idea that all adults have a right to vote? First of all, तो बताओ right to vote. All adults have right to vote. किसके through? Universal adult franchise. Yesterday I have told you, by universal adult franchise, all adult citizens have right to vote, and it was adopted by our country in 1950. But यहाँ पे question कुछ और है. Why do you think national movement supported the idea? National movement ने कैसे support किया इस idea को? Which idea? That all adults have right to vote. Now who will tell that all adults have right to vote? Raise your hand. Who want to give answer? Who want to give this answer? Anshika? Yes. I'm going to unmute you. Angel, hurry up. Yes, Angel, hurry up. I have unmuted you. I have unmuted you. Bachche, unmute yourself. Be quick. I have unmuted you, Angel. What happened? Is there any problem? Yes, Sadhika. Angel की शायद problem आ रही है network में. Yes, Sadhika, I have unmuted you, बच्चे. I'm going to unmute you. Yes, I have unmuted you. Sadhika, be quick. Jayant, wait. Sadhika, be quick. Unmute yourself. Sadhika.
Yes, ma'am. मेरा नेटवर्क ठीक हो गया.
Wait, Angel, wait. Let Sadhika to give the answer. Sadhika, be quick. Okay, Angel, आप दो answer. Hurry up. Angel. What is happening? Angel. Jayant Grover. I have unmuted you. What happened? So many hands are up.
During, during the British rule, only the powerful men had the right to vote. But now, after the independence, the constitution adopted the universal adult franchise in 1950. By
Yes.
this, all adults above the age of 18 have the right to vote.
बट यहाँ पे बच्चे क्वेश्चन आप शायद समझ नहीं पाए. लिसन केयरफुली. द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाई. उन्होंने पूछा व्हाई डू यू थिंक नेशनल मूवमेंट सपोर्टेड द आइडिया. क्यों नेशनल मूवमेंट ने इस आइडिया को सपोर्ट किया? इट मींस लोगों के साथ कुछ ऐसा हुआ था ब्रिटिश के अंदर, किसी चीज से लोग इंस्पायर हुए थे. यू हैव रेड ना, आई हैव टोल्ड यू यस्टरडे. लोग किससे इंस्पायर हुए थे? आइडिया ऑफ फ्रीडम एंड इक्वालिटी से. And under British, their life was very miserable. तो अब उन्होंने अपने मन में सोचा था कि अगर अपनी गवर्नमेंट आएगी आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस, वो कुछ ऐसा सिस्टम सेटअप करेंगे which would give right to vote to all. Because under British, life of Indians was very poor. They were treated as slaves. They were not given right. Is it clear? ऐसा ही कुछ हुआ था ना नेशनल मूवमेंट में. Yes. Now Angel, you want to give answer? Yes. Angel, I have unmuted you. Be quick.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So under the constitution, universal adult franchise is given to our community. By this, only people who are above the 18 age can give vote. Earlier, only powerful people can give the vote. Now there is equality among all. Everyone can give a vote to their representative, and there is equality and no discrimination.
Okay. Thank you, bache. Thank you those who have given answers. Thank you. नो लिसन, कहीं पे थोड़ा सा क्वेश्चन समझने में गड़बड़ हुई है, यही रीजन होता है कई बार पेपर में बच्चे आप क्वेश्चन आंसर अटेम्प्ट करते हो बट क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से समझते नहीं हो। नो डाउट यू हैव गिवन, आपने सिर्फ पता है क्या आंसर दिया यूनिवर्सल एडल्ट फ्रेंचाइज का, कि हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ने 1950 में सबको राइट टू वोट दे दिया। बट हियर द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाई डू यू थिंक, लिसन केयरफुली, क्वेश्चन को ना पहले हमेशा 2 बार पढ़ो। व्हाई डू यू थिंक, आप क्यों सोचते हो दैट आवर नेशनल मूवमेंट सपोर्टेड द आइडिया दैट ऑल अडल्ट्स हैव राइट टू वोट? क्यों उन्होंने इस आइडिया को सपोर्ट किया? हमारे नेशनल मूवमेंट के बाद क्यों इस आइडिया को सपोर्ट किया गया कि सबके पास राइट टू वोट होना चाहिए? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो वी विल टेल, in freedom struggle movement people of diverse group, in freedom struggle movement people from different parts of the sections or from diverse group participated in freedom struggle movement। हर एक ने पार्ट लिया था। in freedom struggle movement people of different sections of the society participated, they were inspired by the ideas of freedom and equality, people were inspired by the ideas of equality and freedom। under British या under colonial rule Indians led miserable life, no rights were given to them, they were treated as slaves। under British Indians led very poor life, no rights were given to them, they were treated as slaves। अब यहां से उनके मन में आया ना, they wanted, that's why they wanted to set up a government that abolished inequalities, that's why they wanted to set up a government that abolished inequalities and fulfill their demands after independence, that's why they wanted to set up a government, ऐसी गवर्नमेंट सेटअप करना चाहते थे that abolished inequalities and fulfill their demands after independence। वो ऐसी गवर्नमेंट सेटअप करना चाहते थे जो कि इनइक्वालिटीज को खत्म कर देती और साथ में उनकी डिमांड्स को भी पूरा करेगी, वो ऐसी गवर्नमेंट लाना चाहते थे। the dreams and aspirations of people, the dreams and aspirations of people to live a free life, the dreams and aspirations of people to live a free life laid down the principle of universal adult franchise, laid down the principle of universal adult franchise, the dreams and aspirations of the people to live a free life, lay down the principles of universal adult franchise, that is all adult citizens of the country have right to vote, that is all adult citizens of the country have right to vote। ये बताना है इसमें हमने, बिकॉज फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल में तो सबने पार्ट लिया एंड लोग इंस्पायर हो रहे थे किससे? आइडिया ऑफ फ्रीडम, इक्वालिटी, कहां से स्प्रेड हुए थे ये आइडियाज? फ्रॉम द फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन। अब हम इतना डिटेल में नहीं करेंगे, फ्रेंच फिलोसफर्स के ना व्यू इंडिया में स्प्रेड हो चुके थे। व्यूज ऑफ फ्रेंच फिलोसफर्स केम टू इंडिया एंड अवेकन द इंडियन पीपल फ्रॉम डीप स्लीप, उन्हें डीप स्लीप से जगाया टू गेट फ्रीडम फ्रॉम ब्रिटिश रूल। तो लोग इंस्पायर हो चुके थे उन आइडियाज से, अब वो भी चाहते थे कि ऐसी गवर्नमेंट आए, बिकॉज अंडर ब्रिटिश दे लेड वेरी मिजरेबल लाइफ, बहुत पुअर लाइफ थी, एज ए स्लेव्स वो ट्रीट होते थे। तो उनको था कि कभी ना कभी तो हम अपनी गवर्नमेंट लाएंगे आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस, और वो गवर्नमेंट ऐसी होगी जो उनको इक्वल राइट्स देगी, ठीक है, उनकी डिमांड्स को पूरा करेगी। तो वही उनकी सपने जो थे ना, वही यूनिवर्सल एडल्ट फ्रेंचाइज को लेके आए। तो उन्होंने इस बात को, हमारे इस फ्रीडम मूवमेंट से ये वाली बात हम कहेंगे कि प्रमोट हुआ ये आइडिया टू गिव इक्वल राइट टू वोट टू ऑल। तभी यूनिवर्सल एडल्ट फ्रेंचाइज वाज अडॉप्टेड बाय आवर फ्रेमर्स आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस।